Greetings, Chris Fiola here with another edition of the Perfecting Equilibrium vlog. The last 2 weeks we've looked at the Mylio photos and its quote-unquote AI auto tagging, and I was somewhat harsh in my assessment of it. So I've decided to do a follow-up here where I will actually read and follow the instructions and attempt to see how the tagging would work. And I have to tell you, it's still not very good. I want you to open up the untagged section. You can see I'm in the untagged library here. And then walk through and tag the photos. Now, it does have false positives here, like some leaves and very amusingly masks. And then more leaves. I don't understand flowers. But the thing that really, if I go through and tag one of these, it doesn't seem to then realize that the next three of the next four photos are the same person. So you have to tag every single one of these. And it's just... It simply isn't as good as what you can get out of Google Photos or Microsoft OneDrive, which has really improved itself. And I don't think it's quite on as good as Google Photos in terms of recognition yet on faces, but it's close, and close enough that I don't care about the difference. And so that's really where, all of these products claim to be free, at least in the basic, but they don't give you enough storage to handle a serious photography library. So you're going to end up paying one way or the other. And, for my preferences, I've ended up with Microsoft OneDrive because it's almost as good as Google Photos with recognition. And for $100 a year, you can get the family plan with 5 accounts, each one with a terabyte of data, and Microsoft Office 365 included. It's a lot cheaper than Google. It's a lot less intrusive than Google, which seems to shove every single thing that you do into its advertising engine. And that's the best fit for me at this point. No, I'm not a Microsoft affiliate, so I don't get any money for that. But frankly, I'm going to uninstall Mylio. It's just way too much work. I mean, look at all these replicated photos, and it wants me to tag every single one of them to get anywhere. And so, just no. So, that's it on Mylio. Again, I'm going to uninstall it, so that's where I am with it. I hope you have a great week. I hope you're out taking some photos and enjoying your life. And that's it for me this week. Fiola out.